So
Hi guys. Welcome back. Don't mind how we look. We woke up like 3 hours ago, and we haven't got ready, and we're barely cooking breakfast. So
yeah. She slept over at my house because we always do. We live in the same house. And yeah. Got some crusty elbows.
I don't got crusty elbows.
Okay, so what we got working with today is eggs.
Tortillas.
No, we're not cooking tortillas. I don't like that.
How you Hispanic but you don't like tortillas?
I don't know. That's weird with egg. So we're matching outfits like blue shirt, pink shorts.
We don't got no.
Okay, so we're working with eggs and tortilla de harina.
Alright. So these are basically like tortillas but bigger and delicious. They're better than these.
Okay, first we need to get a pan.
Yeah. So girl's supposed to be getting the pants and she went to the room. So like, did she keep pants inside of the room or something? Like,
Slay girl, power girl. We're gonna get the pan to cook the tortilla, the harina, and huevos. Huevos, we're gonna use a different pan, aka eggs.
a lot of times they think huevos means balls in Spanish, but it doesn't. What does balls mean? How do you say balls in Spanish again?
Bolas.
Bolas. Huevos means eggs, not balls. You know how to cook, right? You're not gonna burn the house down?
No. I know how to cook pancakes.
Who doesn't know how to cook pancakes? We're gonna place the egg on the counter?
Yeah, because first we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna cook this. I know.
This is
ass cheeks.
I'm recording.
I know.
This is what we're gonna crush the eggs with.
No, we aren't. I'm gonna wash this.
We're Mexican. Of course, we can't cook unless. Oh my god. You see, I can't do not one video without messing up. We're Mexican. Of course, we can't cook unless the kitchen's clean. Wet, bro. Anyways, oh gosh, I almost fell. How many eggs are we doing?
Let's say 2.
2. Do you want to ask Useless or Hanan if they want one, or your brother? Let me see.
What?
Y'all want breakfast? Y'all want breakfast? We're cooking eggs and tortillas.
You know how to cook.
Yes, we do. ¿Quieres? ¿Quieres tortilla de harina con huevo?
Alright, what to do?
Huevo.
Keep going.
So it's just gonna be us eating?
We're Mexican. Of course, we have to use both of the lights to cook.
I'll be back. Alright, let's do a dance.
Okay.
Alright, hold up. You need to do this.
Okay, so this is dance.
3, 2, 1.
This isn't the right thing.
Alright, now we got the tortilla pan. Dry the damn pan.
I know that's not what I do, bro.
It's crazy how I said, are we gonna cook tortillas? Mira, these.
Versus what we're cooking.
These are fucking tortillas. It's the same thing as tortillas. How many? 1 or 2? Those, right? 2. Oh.
We're Mexicans. Of course, the youngest always has to be hit by the oldest.
I love abusing her. Didn't the last video you said that you were like the freaking oldest, ma'am? She's not the oldest.
Well, you're like the second, third oldest. I'm the fourth oldest.
She was youngest before two of the twins came.
We're Mexican. Of course, 5-year-olds know how to cook.
We're not 5.
We're Mexicans.
This is not what. Just say it.
We're Mexicans. Of course, we have Stanley stickers on this. I don't want to show it.
You see how lazy she is? We're Mexican. Of course, we're doing the We're Mexican challenge in the middle of a freaking cooking video.
We're not. You're not even showing us cook.
Yeah. It smells. Anyways, it looks so dirty.